Hi everyone, today I'm talking to Ko, and you're very passionate about kids and education. I know
Yeah.
you've been volunteering a lot.
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, I'm helping out where possible for Devoxx4Kids Netherlands. Yeah.
So like you teach workshops.
Yeah, I'm helping with teaching them, and we do it with, for example, with Scratch workshops. But I'm also very passionate about Lego because I also have a son. He really loves Lego. Yeah, organizing a workshop for that will be amazing. Yeah.
I really love Legos myself. Like what kind of workshops have you taught with Legos?
Well, I didn't give a workshop yet for Lego. I'm planning. I want to organize something in my neighborhood ourselves with school and with kids. That will be amazing. And yeah, mostly it was Scratch in the past and M-bots we had, and that was pretty nice
Do
to
you
see
have
children.
ideas in mind for what you want to do with Legos?
Yeah, definitely. I already heard from Eddie. He's one of the heads in Devoxx Netherlands, and he's busy with Lego or AI, and that's kind of topics that are really very important nowadays, and that's nice to teach kids about it. I think. Yeah.
I know you can do so much. Like, I mean, Lego came out with the Lego Spike,
Yeah, indeed.
so you can do some robotics projects.
Yeah, that will be amazing. I have a kid and he is really passionate about Lego, and I'm also from the past, and it would be amazing that we can do something like Scratch, that you can build something with sensors and that kind of things and build something themselves and see them grow in also IT thinking.
What have you done with previous workshops before?
I played, I created the own game, a kind of Mario, and they could do in Scratch to movement and that kind of things, going to the left, going to the right. And I created a workshop for that, and yeah, we gave it in Utrecht some time ago, but yeah.
How did the kids respond to it?
Yeah, they are really loving it. I really like it when kids having fun and also in IT because we can help kids. Also, if you look to diversity, like get more kids going to IT, to the Java space. Also, a female, that would be really nice to have more passionate kids. Yeah. So.
Yeah, it's really great that you've been teaching these workshops.
Yeah. Yeah, I love it to give them. I should do some more. I'm also planning to do that. Also, yeah, it would be nice to in my neighborhood to do something with the local jugs. I'm also sometimes going to the Java use groups in the Netherlands, and it would be amazing to do something with them because there's the community also in the Netherlands. Yeah.
Yeah, I know especially like the Java user groups, they're really passionate people.
Yeah.
So that's a good place.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I like Java user groups, and they're pretty important also for the community. And give them a place to talk about the passion, and that's really great. Yeah.
I think it should be good because I'm also giving a kids workshop for CNCF Kids Day in
Oh, cool.
Atlanta. And we're
Nice.
planning on having some of the Java user group community members
Oh, cool.
from the Atlanta chapter volunteering.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
So I think you'll have good luck with that.
Oh yeah, that would be amazing. Yeah. And I'm also a conference organizer now, and I like also Devoxx4Kids to be also at our conference and give them a space to that there's something for for kids to learn also, and to make that bigger. That is I think that's really good.
Can you tell me a bit like how you contribute to Blox Days? I mean, it's on your shirt.
Yeah, indeed, yeah. Yeah, I love. I'm a speaker also, and I try to do passionate things in the Java space. I'm going to Java user groups and talk about things that are important. I think Devoxx4Kids is one of them, but also sustainability and that kind of things. And I like to share them and give them a podium also. And Devoxx4Kids is something, that definitely should have a podium at the conference and also do something with it. And with a lot of topics, you need to have
So
that.
you're
I think.
bringing Devoxx4Kids to Walks Days, the conference?
Not yet. That would be nice, but we already have them at the conference. They have our own booth and telling about what they are doing. And we also have Jug Square, where all the Java user groups are. And I try to connect them so that Devoxx4Kids can also talk with the local jugs and that they can arrange something like that. It would be amazing to have something also at Fox Days, but we don't yet have a good place for that. But
Are you planning on, like, ideally you want kids workshops during maybe the conference?
during the conference, that would be interesting indeed. Yeah. Oh, with only kids, you mean?
I've had a lot of experience with conferences, like, you know how I mentioned CNCF Kids Day?
Yeah.
That's a program related to KubeCon, which is another conference.
Yeah.
We usually run that during the weekend
Oh, okay.
because conferences, they already rented out the venue space
Yeah.
and they have the personal.
Yeah.
So we can run kids workshops before or after the conference.
Oh, that is really great. Yeah. We just started. Like we first started the first year, so there are lots things to improve. I think. Yeah. And that's wonderful to do that in the future. Definitely. Yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely good that you have the inspiration.
Yeah, definitely a lot of inspiration, but we need to at the end we need to do this together. And I also love your presentation you gave this morning. It's inspiring. Thank you also.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Yeah.
It's been good talking to you today.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you.